Alam niyo, marami sa atin talaga yung gustong yumaman. Nag-survey ako sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho kung meron sa kanila yung gustong maghirap or maging mahirap. Lahat sila ang sagot nila, hindi. Lahat sila ayaw nilang maghirap or maging mahirap. Kaya daw sila nagtatrabaho, nagsisumikap para makaahon sa kahirapan. Kung mapapansin natin, ang thinking natin mga tao, kung gusto mong yumaman, maghanap ka ng pagkakakitaan ng pera. But biblically, ang tinuturo sa atin ng Diyos, kung gusto natin ng kayamanan, don't look for money. Look for His wisdom. Now when you say look for His wisdom, you're looking for God Himself. Because God is the only wisdom that you can find. God is the only wisdom that you will have. Don't look for money, look for God and His wisdom. Sabi nga ng isang verse sa Bible ng chapter Matthew, the kingdom of God is like a merchant who's looking for a pearl of great price. When he found one, he sold everything he has and bought it.